hydrogen gas produced by geology in the ground powers this earth battery. This is the voltage in the cell. Disconnect and reconnect. This is the amperage. The current amperage flowing in the shell. The amperage is in flux as the hydrogen is variable in the ground. This is a steel electrode. And this electrode here is made out of silver and stannine. Stannine is a special nanomaterial. Yeah, we're getting a higher amperage now that I've reinserted it into the ground. That's interesting. See what that's about. The amperage is climbing.